folks, I have a really cool baritone to show you today. This is a stock instrument that's going to be for sale in a moment. Sometimes when I need to learn a new skill, I sit and practice on work that's not going to be on an instrument. But my best practice is on an instrument that's going to exist someday. And this is a baritone that has been in the shop since December because I've been learning and practicing some new things with it. And I kind of debated whether or not to sell it or let it go or what I was going to do with it because there's some experiments in it. But I decided it's time. Somebody should take this home. Someone who can appreciate its rustic character. The first experiment is I'm learning how to do rosettes instead of just sound hole binding. I don't think I'll stop doing sound hole binding, but you can see the pistachio rosette. See? So it's got a pistachio rosette and pistachio binding on this instrument. Also, I was trying out a new purfling that I've only used once before, so that was pretty cool. And another experiment is this is a slightly modified shape for my baritone. It was an experiment. I don't know if it'll carry on or not. But look at the spalted maple I was working with. This is from our friend Libby, and this is the first instrument with it. And so it took some getting used to. This is an experiment, and I know better what to do with the spalted wood next time, I think. Also, I inlaid a moon. We did this inlay on the solstice this year. It's got curly walnut up there. And also, I think I'm going to start putting more neck reinforcement in my baritone necks because they're such a longer neck and the tension's pretty high. So this one's got a carbon fiber strip inlaid into the neck, which also was something that took a little practice for me. So, you know, spalted maple back and sides, western red cedar top, pistachio binding with this cool purfling, pistachio rosette. It's got a cedar and pistachio neck with the carbon fiber in it. Curly walnut up here. Yeah, and cedar and maple is a great choice, obviously. So I think what I'm going to do is, there's all kinds of little rustic handmade touches to this one. There's little tiny scratches, there's little flaws, there's little places where I was learning. So I'm going to sell this one discounted, and it'll be available on the website in a minute. But it sure sounds nice. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is number 779, Western Red Cedar and Spalted Maple Baritone. It's going to be on the website in a few minutes. Cheers.